Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rochelle from Plan with CSRD, and today we will be planning from the 3rd of December until the 9th of December. So we will be back planning or memory planning the past week, and we are going to do that with the November mystery kit from Littlemisspaperie. It's a very cute autumny kit. Excuse my voice, I got a little bit sick this week, so I might sound funny. Now I'm just starting to show you the kit. So I got the small decal page with the large laptop, the glitter washi strips, the full box girls, then the other 9 full boxes and some small labels. Also the first deco page, then some sidebar stickers and the half boxes and quarter boxes, some full hard checklists, then the date covers, 2 sets of date covers, work labels and the regular checklist, the big washi strips, and then the last page, the little things and the headers. So I'm starting off by putting down all the full boxes and the little glittery washi strips. And now this week was a very busy week. I usually work from Monday until Thursday, but this week we celebrated Sinterklaas, which is the event I told about in the last few Plan With Me's, that it's the holiday here in the Netherlands, so that took place on Wednesday the 5th. And also a colleague of mine got sick, so I had to work Friday as well. So now that I've put down all the full boxes and the glitter washi strips, I collected all the sheets that I needed for my notes section. So to start off my notes section, I put down a this week label, header sticker, and the 3 habit trackers that came with the kit. I wanted to use all 3 of them, so I extended the list a bit for the whole page until down. And then I wanted to track my boyfriend's work hours and also my dinners, so I marked that with the 2 weekly full box trackers that came with the kit. And I had a bit of white space left that I wanted to cover, so I took a pink washi strip that I had left over and I put it in the white space, and it looked a bit funny to me, so I built a washi strip around the full box. Then I wanted to track that I had to wake up early, so I marked it down with a alarm clock sticker. I also wanted to track my skincare as usual, so I marked it down with a rubber duck. And then I wanted to track my reading because I just started a new book, so I marked it down with a asterisk sticker. And then just to spice up the page a little bit, I put down the big washi strip and cut it down to fit on top of the glitter washi strip. Then I wrote down all the dates in the date covers, and I put down the date cover starting on Monday. I also put down a work label sticker to mark my hours that I had to work, which I worked from 8 AM until 5 PM. And then I wanted to mark down that it was the first day of the Advent to light the candles with my students, so I marked it down with the asterisk sticker. I wanted to mark down my to-do list, so I put down a to-do header and also a 3-heart checklist to mark down that I needed to make my weekly task list. I needed to email a colleague, and I also wanted to do all my lesson plans. And then I wanted to film my memory spread for Monday, so I put down a label sticker, and the character sticker and the laptop sticker are from Whimsical Cat Studios. Then with a heart sticker I marked down that I had a sleepover with my mom at her room because my dad had to work and Joros was also not in the house that day, so I marked that down with a heart sticker. And then in a half box I wanted to mark down that I made a part of my surprise gift for a student, because with the holiday center class you always draw lots here in the Netherlands, and then you make a surprise gift for the one you got. So I needed to do that, and I marked it down with an important sticker from the kid as well. Until Tuesday I put down the date cover again and the work label sticker. I worked from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Then I wanted to mark down that I finished my surprise gift in the morning, so I put down this flag sticker and a heart round icon sticker to mark that. I wanted to make a today list, and I did that with a today header and a 3-heart checklist. And I needed to prep the haul, buy some gifts for my surprise gift, and write a poem as well. And then I wanted to start vlogging for this week's plan with me, because Monday was not as fun to vlog as Tuesday was. So I marked it down with a camera icon sticker from the kit. Then I went to eat some pizza with Joris, so I marked it down with a appointment sticker and a Glam Planner Teeny sticker. I believe that's Bibbity. And then I was gifted a mini planner by a student, so I marked it down with an asterisk sticker. And last but not least, on Tuesday I had to do some groceries, so I put it down in a small label sticker and I marked it with a grocery card sticker. Then on to Wednesday the 5th, I marked down my work hours again. I needed to get breakfast for my colleagues, so I marked it down with a quarter sticker and a coffee sticker from the kit. I needed to prepare the haul for the Santa Claus party, so I took this recycling bin sticker to mark that down. We had the Santa Claus holiday and we celebrated it with the students, so I marked it down in a half box sticker with a balloon icon sticker. Then I needed to do some grocery shopping for the after party, and I marked down the after party in a half box sticker with a heart icon and a asterisk icon. Then on Thursday, usually Wednesday and Thursday are my days that I work as an event manager at the school that I work at, but my colleague called in sick, so I marked that down with an asterisk sticker and this sick character sticker from Whimsical Cat Studios. And I marked down that I needed to teach the 4th grade. Then when I came home I wanted to clean some things because I couldn't clean the days before, so I cleaned my bedroom, bathroom and also downstairs. And because I was so tired of the day before the after party, I napped a bit, so I marked it down in a asterisk little things label sticker. Then I also binged some YouTube Plan With Me's, and last but not least on Thursday I marked down in a movie marquee sticker that I watched Crazy Rich Asians with my parents. Now on to Friday, I put down this day cover sticker again, and I wanted to mark down that I had no day off for this week, so I marked it down with a Too Tired character sticker from Whimsical Cat Studios. Then I also wanted to track my work hours, of course, so I marked that down in the work label sticker. I watched some Netflix films with the students, and for this week we watched Coco. In a half box sticker, I marked down that I needed to pick up my Aaron Conran order, and I also put down this package sticker from the kit. Then I also needed to mail the monthly calendar updates for the parents, so I marked that down with a flag sticker and a mail sticker from the kid. And I watched The Voice of Holland, so I put down a TV sticker to mark that. Then on Saturday my new laptop arrived. I really needed a new laptop because my vlogs were it was just a lot of things for my laptop to process, so I got a new one. And my dad really wanted my old laptop, so I gave it to him. I played The Sims 4 on my new laptop. I also went to eat at Fabiano's, which you could see in my vlog with yours. And we also went to the cinema and we saw The Grinch. And then in the evening we watched another film, Jumanji, the new version. So it was really just a really nice, relaxing day. And then on Sunday, which is today, I slept in until 11:30. So I slept in for until very late. Then I needed to do some groceries with my mom, and I picked up my mom's EC gift, Aaron Conran gift, which was a new budget planner, which you also saw in the vlog. And then I needed to edit my vlog, so I marked that down in a label sticker with a laptop icon. Then I filmed the rest of my memory plan with me, and we watched some movies, we played some games, and now I'm also doing the voiceover, and I'm planning on taking some Instagram photos. So that was my week, and I hope you enjoyed it, liked it. If you liked it, please do click the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you soon for the next plan with me. Bye guys, hope you have a great week.